But on behalf of Vodafone Vanuatu, we thank you again for your presence today, and we thank you for leading the Fiji team over. In terms of the business here, Vodafone Vanuatu is over 30 plus years with different owners. In 2017, we had acquired Vodafone Vanuatu as part of the original acquisition. And so we took over from Mauritius Telkom, and we offer all services, all technologies. We are the leading network provider here, or telecommunications provider here in Vanuatu, with biggest market share in terms of business customers, as we have the fiber technology and also mobile technology. So we have fixed services, we have mobile and satellite services. So it's something like Telkom Fiji, we have Telkom that offers fixed services, and Vodafone and Digicel offering mobile services. In Vanuatu, we have one company looking after everything, providing the full service. In terms of staff, we have close to 200 staff, and over 96% of our staff is local. Okay, and we have our Fiji brothers and from Fiji as well.
Yeah, to the management and staff of Vodafone Vanuatu, first of all, Mbula Benaka, and thank you for inviting us to come and visit your headquarters this morning. We are very fortunate. We understand the decisions taken by Vodafone to come and work with our brothers as a Melanesian was really a very good one in regards to communications is power in the business world today. And we understand with 95% of the staff being local, we really grateful for Vodafone for the employments that they have given to the community. We are just visiting Vanuatu in regards to the Melanesian art and culture, and we are very fortunate to be hosted by Vodafone Vanuatu today, and we're looking forward to see what you have provided to the community and the Pacific as a whole. And for those few words, once again, thank you for inviting us this morning.
kenai sulu, ena lau mani naga tui rombo. Rasa kodele yandi, hei koranandi. Sai ke mudau ne taukei ni balake ni ki. Rau tau baka une ne mani ravi enai bili. Mameti, sa serenali tuna karesi. Kau lagi singa di sudu meneti, kau sampai nama sereki-reki, kau warna kena sauni mesendi.